Good morning, guys. Good morning. But to me, in my side, it's not a good morning, okay? So it's about like 9:09. So I was decided to move, go on my merry way. I'm in Kansas City. I'm in Kansas, okay? But look, it's like there's like since last night, there's like big wind. Like the wind is so big, okay? So look. And the truck is moving with me, like shaking with me. So I don't know, man. I don't know. I'm gonna have to let that bad, I'm gonna have to let this bad boy go by before I even start moving, because I'm not about to drive in that. I thought it was gonna be like a good morning. I would just wake up, because I got time with my load, okay? Today is the 30th. I gotta return my load. I gotta drop my load on the first. But from the way I'm looking right now, oh man, I'd be stupid if I go. Ooh, you guys feel that? Do you guys feel the truck is moving with me? Do you guys feel that? Oh my God. It's like the wind wanna flip the truck over. Jesus Christ. So this is where we at with it, man. So we're gonna wait and let it cool down for a second before we start rolling, because like right now, this is not a good idea at all. Hell no. Alright, so right now it's kind of looking better, guys. So I'm gonna stop being a chicken. I'm gonna go. So hey, I pray to God, so everything gonna be alright. Everything gonna be okay. Kansas City. Kansas City, man. I realized Kansas and what was the other one? Colorado. Those states, they got some high wind, man. The wind is ridiculous. It's ridiculous, man. Just for that reason, I don't like driving truck. I don't think I like driving truck in those states, man. Because of the wind. It's too windy. Sure we don't get stuck.
Turn at the first left onto East Willow Avenue.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. We gonna turn. What a beautiful day in the neighborhood, in the state of Kansas. Such a beautiful day, man. And I felt so lazy this morning. I woke up at like 7. Okay, I woke up at 6 actually. I'm like, let me still go to sleep. My load is due on the 1st. I got time. That's not a good idea, y'all. When you keep thinking that you got time with your load, it's gonna make you lazy, make you feeling lazy. So this city name is Colby, Kansas. That's where I spent the night. That's where I slept last night. So we're gonna look for the highway. So hopefully after a couple miles, you know, it stopped raining.
Turn at the first left onto South Country Club Drive.
Hopefully, man, because we're gonna turn here. There's nobody coming except for the U-Haul, but I think the U-Haul gonna stop for me. don't think you have to. I'm gonna make it. All right. It's better now, right? It's better now. No rush, y'all. Always make sure that you're not rushing. Okay? If you don't feel like, if you don't think it's safe for you to drive in some type of weather, just don't drive, okay? Just don't drive. Because guess what? If the load is late, whatever you got,
Turn at the first left onto I-70 towards Salina.
those things can be those things are replaceable, but your life is not. Okay? So we gotta turn here. Slow down, Chuck. Make sure we don't fall in that big old hole. Alright. There you go. Right now it's not that bad at all. So the plan for today is to drive 600 miles, okay? 600 miles. So when I already look for a pilot. In my 600 miles, in my 600 miles range, I saw that pilot is in St. Louis. So that's mean I got a big chance tonight to spend the night in St. Louis. Okay, so that's where I'm gonna be, you know, sleeping at. So I'm gonna keep you guys updated. I'm gonna try not to make my videos too long. So right now I'm in Kansas. Whenever I get to the next state, I'm gonna let you guys know. And then, oh man, R.I.P. poor dear. But right now, guys, I'm still in Kansas. It's really windy, golly. I feel like the truck, I'm fighting with the truck right now. That's how windy it is. So even when I'm going slow, the wind really pisses me off. So sometimes you get it, sometimes you don't. Sometimes you get the wind, sometimes you don't. So it's really like a scary situation when you're driving. When you're driving and you feel the wind. So even though right now I'm heavy, but still, I'm still feeling like that thing is fighting with me. Get to a point where like I feel like I'm thinking, should I stop or should I keep going? You know what I mean? So yeah, that's how crazy it is right now. Like I got that thing from Colorado, Kansas now. Oh golly. If that's how it is every time you go to those cities, to those states, I don't like it. I don't like it at all, because I don't like when I'm driving the truck and I feel like the wind wanna flip me over. No, it's crazy, y'all. It's really crazy, but we're gonna keep pushing. So right now I have 4 hours and 32 minutes before I take my break, and I still have 7 hours 32 minutes to drive. So the day is still long ahead of us. Still long ahead of us, but we're gonna keep trucking. We're gonna keep trucking. So one thing I realized that's gonna help me, when you're driving, you feel like the wind is so windy and it's kind of the wind is playing with you. Make sure you slow it down, slow your truck down, okay? And both hands on the wheel. Both hands on the wheel. Like me, I put my hands like this. That's how I position my hands. But always make sure you do that, because if you're trying to drive that truck with one hand and when the wind is battering you, oh, God knows what can happen. God knows what can happen. So always make sure, man, always make sure both hands on the wheel, okay? So yeah, guys, so we're gonna keep trucking with trucking and trucking. Yeah. So my next exit gonna be to Kansas City. That's gonna be my next exit. So I don't know if I'm gonna go to the city, I don't know if I'm gonna go to the city or if I'm just gonna go outside of it. Okay, I would rather go outside of it because I hate driving in cities. I hate driving trucks in cities. Let me clarify that, because I don't mind driving small cars in cities. But yeah, guys, this is where I'm at with it, man. The wind is bothering me. I had to let you guys know how it is. So especially rookies, man, if you're driving a truck, man, the rain is bothering you, If you don't feel safe, look at the grass. You can see how the rain is going on the grass. But if you don't feel safe, man, stop the truck, okay? Especially if you're empty. I heard some bad stories when you're empty, you know, and then the rain is bothering you. It can flip you over, like for real. So we're praying. We know God not gonna let that happen to us. So we should be good. Should be good. And I'm not empty. But the way that thing is sometimes, man, I don't feel like empty or not is matter. If you don't stop, you get in trouble. Look at that. They trying to pass me. Everybody passing me. Go ahead, pass me. I'm the slow truck. That's why I stay on the right side. Pass me. Go on your merry way. Yeah, I'm slow. Right now we're in Missouri, East St. Louis. So that's what we need to go through. But golly, there was a lot of low bridges. At one point, I thought I was gonna hit them. But don't worry, they did post the clearance saying that they told you what's the clearance was. But man, I hate driving in big city, man. Like this guy right now, he see I'm asking for the damn lane, right? He trying to speed, stupid. He was a girl. But golly, these people, oh my God, these people are crazy. So this is why I hate driving in big cities, man. I can't wait to get to the 70, to get to I-70 and leave all that crap behind. Okay? Because right now we're in Kansas City. That's right. Kansas City. That's where we're driving to. Oh, 14.9. We're clear. Always remember your truck and your trailer supposed to be 13.6. Like this one don't have the clearance, so we should be good. Uh-oh. There go curves. And that lane is merging. Gotta watch out. Yeah, guys, I did stop to take my 30-minute break. I didn't record. I need that lane. Come on, stupid. Come on. Stupid. He saw that I wanted the lane. But hey, what did he do? He just wanna keep speeding and still stay in the goddamn lane. God damn it. This is what you have to go through as a truck driver. You go through a lot, okay? You go through a lot as a truck driver, man. A lot of people think this job is fun, but to be honest, I don't think it's a fun job, okay? It's a job that requires a lot of attention, a lot of discipline. You gotta be on your A game. Your A game. Oh my God. So now we got 3.4 miles to run through that road so we can get through, I guess, I-70. Because I need to go to I-70 and leave that crap behind. Missouri, sweet Missouri. Left lane, no truck license over 24. Okay. Not on the left lane, bro. Don't worry. Bridge, 1410. And GPS already telling me there's a curve ahead. And we're clear. Boom. Low bridge. 14.5. God damn, they got a lot of... Okay, so right now they say watch your speed because of that curve, okay? So you do slow down and then before you take the curve. And always make sure you know, guys, don't leave your foot on your brake. You just stop it for like 5 seconds and then release. Tap for 5 seconds and then release. Every time you tap it, it's gonna reduce on your speed. Okay? So always remember that. Now I got like 4 more hours to drive.
2 miles. Keep left onto I-70.
I got 4 more hours to drive, but it's not gonna be really 4 more hours because I gotta start looking for parking at 1:30 something. So it's not gonna be 4 more hours. But I already drove like what, 7 hours? Yep, I already drove 7 hours. Yeah, so I kind of regret that I didn't start at 6, because if I did start at 6 o'clock, I would be finished by, you know, by 5, 6. That's early. That's the time I want to be done with it. Okay? But hey, I let the sleep mess me up. So always make sure you pay attention to the board. Okay? That way you don't go to the wrong lane. Oh my god. Another bridge. So St. Louis. Say St. Louis. And my GPS show you the picture too. Okay? So that thing says St. Louis, and there's 3 lanes on that side and 2 lanes on the other side. So I'm good where I'm at right now. But this is a long bridge. I don't know what that bridge called, but this is a long bridge.
In half a mile, keep left onto I-70 toward I-70 East.
Okay, I should be good where I'm at right now. Okay, I see St. Louis. I see St. Louis, St. Louis. So we're gonna follow that sign. Speed limit is 55 miles per hour. The minimum is 40.
I-70 toward I-70 East.
There you go, I'm good here. Oh man, the birds fly. Alright, so I got like 241 miles to go through Illinois. Woo-hoo! $241 miles to go to Illinois. And I think I see a police. Come on, Mr. Popo. Go on your merry way. Don't bother me here, Mr. Popo. There it is. Good boy, Mr. Popo. But every time you see you going downhill like that, like gravity is pushing you down, make sure you press that minus. Yours might not be on your dashboard or whatever, under your radio. It might be, it's somewhere, but I always make sure you look forward. There's a minus and a plus sign. When you see you going downhill, your speed is reducing, always press the minus one. It's gonna change your gear and it's gonna give you more power to go. Okay? So this is how it is. So right now we're gonna keep going. We got gas, we're full, so we're not gonna stop for gas in no time soon. We're just gonna keep going and going. Uh-oh, low bridge, no clearance. We're good. Oh my god, I'm getting tired already, guys. I can't wait to park the truck and, you know, go sleep or something. Because right now I'm getting tired. Like really, really tired now. Illinois in 240 miles. Hopefully I make it. GPS said I'm gonna be arrived at 8:54. That's gonna be nighttime, man. 8:54. Huh. I don't know. We see how it goes. Because 8:54, that's nighttime. Really, really nighttime. And today is holiday. It's Memorial Day today, so I don't know if I'm gonna find parking because most of them truck drivers, they're not gonna be running and they're gonna get stuck. They're gonna be stuck in the truck stops. So yeah, I'm kind of gonna be in big trouble. So when I did stop, I did buy me some. There was like a McDonald's. I did get me like a French fries, some French fry, large one, and then a caramel frappe right here. That's why I always buy McDonald's, y'all. Okay, so there's a narrow road ahead. Got your GPS, got it. And somebody on the shoulder, and to be honest, I can't really do nothing. All I can do is kind of slow down and kind of hug my left, and then good. Boom. Boom, boom. Then the road is merging. Like right now, I'm observing, okay? That whole guy, ain't no way he's gonna, So I don't have to change no lane. You observe, okay? Ain't no way that old guy was gonna catch up to me. So now, nobody coming here. I'm good on that lane still. So always observe. Anticipate that. I think that's what the orange company used to say. But then it looks like it's gonna rain. It looks like it's already rained somewhere. Yeah, I'm gonna catch up to that rain again, but it's ridiculous. It's just crazy. Like today, the weather been sucks today. So low clearing bridge, 15:11. Tap on the brake. Amtrak station next right. Haha. I remember when I used to travel at Amtrak in the old days. All right, guys. Right now I'm in what's that place? I'm in Warrenton, Missouri. Okay. So you see, that's a lot of parking, man. A lot of parking. See parking in front of me? I got like 1 hour on my clock. I'm not gonna risk it. It's like 7, so now all I have to do is like go straight and get that parking, man. You gotta go straight. You know, it's just all I need is a straight back. I don't know if you guys can see it. All I need is a straight back. All right. You know, that's why it's good when you park early, man. When you park early, it's really good. You see that? I don't know if you guys can see it, but yes, there you go. Straight back. Straight back. Straight back. All right. This is the kind of parking I like, man. I ain't gotta do no extra, none of that. But there's a trailer right behind me. I hope I don't hit that sucker. Oh, we're going straight. Gotta go straight. Got a lot of parking, man. Plus on the other side, they got parking everywhere. Gotta go. Man, I hope I don't hit that trailer. Oh man. now we're gonna put the wheel straight. And then we go back. Oh man, I hope I don't hit that. That should be good. Change status. Off duty, baby. I'm off duty. There you go. So we're gonna go back a little bit. Alright, so now we're gonna check it out and see. We're gonna check it out and see if we're good. I'm pretty sure we're good now. It's a lot of space. Oh. We should be good like this. I like this kind of parking, man. I like them, but there it is. So he's right here. I got plenty space, man. I got plenty space. Just need to back up a little bit more. Yeah, I got plenty space, y'all. Let me go back up again. Oh, if I could have something. If I back up here, kind of put something here. Oh, that's too far. Back up right here. Oh, right here. There you go. All right, so now we're gonna do it. Make sure we don't hit that guy trailer. You don't wanna do that. You'll be in big trouble. All right, let's do it again. I should be good now. Yeah, a little bit more. Yeah, I'm good. All right, guys, so we shut down for today. So the city is Warrenton, Missouri. Ooh, so I thought that I was gonna shut down in Illinois, but I know I got like 1 hour and 30 minutes, 1 hour 29 minutes on my driving time. I'm like, am I gonna make it? I'm like, I don't think I'm gonna make it. And plus, I called the Love. I was supposed to stop at the Love. I called the Love truck stop. I don't know if the guy's lying or he didn't want to go check. I told him, hey, I asked him, hey, is it really like park, like, is there a lot of trucks right now? He said, yeah, they're full. I'm like, okay. Then when I see that pilot was like right there, he was like, that pilot was like 18 minutes away from me, 18 miles away. I'm like, you know what? I'm not gonna be greedy. I'm just gonna go. I'm not gonna take the chance. So I just come to that pilot and boom, voila. It's full of parking. All right. So always, I told you that already. All the rookies, park early, start early, finish early. So tomorrow I'm gonna sleep early tonight and tomorrow, so I can wake up around 5:45 and then start running at 6. I gotta start running at 6 because after Illinois I'm gonna get like Kentucky, after Kentucky, I'm getting what other state, Tennessee and stuff like that. So yep, so I gotta wake up early because those places, traffic sometimes are crazy there. So I'm not gonna do a lazy, but I'm gonna wake up early and go. All right, guys, this is it. That was day 2. So right now, let's see how much we got left on our mileage before I let you guys know, because this load is due in 2 days. Okay, let's see how many mileage we got. How much mileage? All right, so right now we got like 903 miles left. 903 miles left. So let's say tomorrow, if I try to do like 600 tomorrow, 600 miles, and then Monday I would have like 300 miles left. So not Monday, Wednesday I would have 300 miles left. So I'm good. So anyway, I'm gonna be late with that load. Okay, all right, guys, make sure you guys like, subscribe, comment. Let me know if you like the vlog and everything, and I'm out. See you guys for another video. Day 2. Tomorrow gonna be day 3. Boom, I'm out.